Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me, and today I got a couple more blasters of Marvel Beginnings. So I had good luck with the first couple blasters that I opened with the illustration board and the Spider-Man 2099 with the alternate or flipped FX, and they were both, I want to say, the same odds. So since I saw some more at my Fred Meyer when I went shopping today, I was like, we'll grab them. Play the odds game and say that I can pull some other good stuff out of these. I was looking to see if they had any more Lorcana, but of course, nothing. Well, I didn't ask, but and these ones are all stuffed on one side instead of being split, so that could be interesting. What is the significance? What does it mean? Well, let's jump right into it. I'm going to assume that we'll see what we saw in the other one, where we get a couple of those retail exclusive parallels. So there's a new one for me. Asp Cloak for Cloak and Dagger. Jean Grey. Proteus. And a Deep Lore. And this is Typhoid Mary. I'm probably going to have to use the knife to open them all. Got something here that looks different. Got a Kitty Pryde, Beast, Shocker, a Thanos, and this black one of Professor X. A black base. I'm not certain what the odds of a black base are. But I feel like I have to just quickly look here. Does it say? Rainbow foil? Oh, black, and it's kind of covered up. So I'd have to pull that other box. Oh, where did I chuck it? Yeah, I tossed it, so I'll have to look at my next one. But I want to say that's a tough pull. Ego the Living Planet, Scorpion, Cannonball, Cosmic Ghost Rider, that's a different one, and A Point in Time. Fantastic Four. Cosmic Storm swirled around the Fantastic Four. Speed, Emma Frost, Edwin Jarvis, Valkyrie, and Team Formations, the Inhumans. I want to say the Inhumans had a short-lived, I don't know if it was a Netflix series, Hulu, somewhere. But I know that they did a series for it. Oh, we got a red, one of our, what's it called? Red Supernova, U.S. Agent, Taboo, Ant-Man, another Deep Lore Beginnings, and that is of Romulus, and then for the Red Supernova, I think I already have this one, the Jack-O-Lantern. I do like it with the pyrotechnic gold pattern. 4 packs? Yep, 4 packs left in the first blaster. So there should be at least one more red supernova. Oh, it looks like we got one of the... I got another one of the illustration boards. Ms. Marvel, Havoc, Odin, Killmonger, and Red Guardian. So I got Red Skull and Red Guardian. So that's 2 tough pulls, because I think this is like 1 in every 26 packs, if I recall correctly. But on the black, I'm not sure if that's like 1 in 160 packs, but we'll see here in a shortly when I rip open the next box. Wonder Man, who we almost got at the end credits of Guardians 2, but wound up being cut. Got a Squirrel Girl, Graviton, ooh, the Necrosword. That's another interesting. I don't know if I've gotten one of those insert set. Oh no, I have, because the Cosmic Alpha. Yeah, I have gotten those. And then our red supernova is going to be the Jackal. Last 2 packs. I know it seems like it's going slow. There's just so much. Another red supernova, so there's our third and final one. Voyager, Cassandra Nova, Man-Thing, as seen in Werewolf by Night, Mystique, and our final, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, if it's Iman, a red supernova. Last pack of the first blaster. I got something here too, but I don't know if it's just probably one of the inserts. Got a Sentry, Warpath, Lizard, Drax the Destroyer, and another deep lore for probably Captain America, because again, part of the program to make super soldiers. So on to blaster number 2. And before I dive deep in, let's just look real quick. So the blacks are 1 in 150 packs. But then the illustration boards are 1 in 26.67. So yeah, it's tough odds to get one of those black base. 1 in 160 packs. So let's see if this one is just as crazy as the first. Kate Bishop, Cardinal, Kang. Oh, we got one of the foils. Rainbow foil, just a regular rainbow foil. Impossible Man, and a dupe. I got this before, because it's right back here in the background. So now I have another Kraven the Hunter rainbow. Blackout, Star, Mariko Yashida, Green Goblin, and Team Formations, the League of Realms. Trying to see who makes up the League of Realms. If it's Titania, Ivory, Honeyshot, Ood, Warzia, Screwherd, and Augie. Weird. Some strange character names in that little group. Danny Moonstar, Hope Summers, Griffin, Mr. Fantastic, and is it Winter Soldier? Nope, just Weapon V. Interesting. Can't say if I'm attuned to that character. But here's our first red supernova. There's a Spider-Man 2099. So not quite the same artwork as it is on the Flipped FX. I wonder if it's the same number. Now I kind of want to look. If I can not knock everything else over. Nope, because the Flipped FX has its own numbering. Colleen Wing, Ulick, Silver Surfer's board for Cosmic Alpha, and the Sentinels, as seen in Days of Futures Past X-Men movie. Although I think their first appearance was actually in the third X-Men, when they were doing their training exercise. Summoner, Achilles, looks like, oh, a Scimitar almost. Nightshade, Gorgon, and another Deep Lore. A dupe, Captain America. Got that in my first. Sentinels again. The regular version, not the parallel. Feral. Professor X. Oh, geez. There's an interesting... Oh, because it shows the progression of changing. Emil Blonsky and used Bruce Banner's tech to follow in his footsteps. Abomination. And a Davin Shikari. Red Supernova. 3 packs left. Sin. Shadrick. Watu the Watcher. Chameleon. And another team formations. Again, the same one as the other blaster, the Inhumans. And this should be our final red supernova. Unless it's just a regular red base. Johnny Watts. The Hood. Silver Samurai. Blade. Looks like we got Moon Knight standing around in the back, or Mr. Knight standing around in the background. And then a Shadrick for the final red supernova. Oh, it looks like we got a blue base. Rogue, who apparently is on Donut Detail. Husk. Mary Jane Watson. Blastar. And our blue base of Victoria Hand. So there we go. We're going to do a quick recap. So, here's a recap of 2 blasters of, I want to say it was 2022, but Marvel Beginnings Volume 2, and it's Part 1 or whatever they call it. Volume 2, Series 1. So for the red supernovas, we've got the Shadrick, Davon Shikari, Sentinels, Eamon, the Jackal, Jack-O-Lantern. Did I miss one? No, that was all of them. Then I had a rainbow parallel of Kraven the Hunter, and then a blue of Victoria Hand. And then we got another illustration board out of the first blaster, which was Red Guardian, to go along with the one in the background of Red Skull. And then probably the hit of the 2 boxes would be the Professor X Black Base, which the pull rate is 1 in 160 packs. I was trying to see what it says there. Oh, that's just the artist's name. He actually signed it right there. I don't know if you can... This looks like Terry something. But anyway, that concludes 2 more blasters of Marvel Beginnings. So hope you all have a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.